In June 1962, Frank Morris and brothers John and Clarence Anglin orchestrated a meticulous, high-stakes escape from the maximum security fortress of Alcatraz. Over several months of careful planning, they used stolen spoon handles and a makeshift drill powered by a stolen vacuum motor to quietly chip away at the crumbling concrete around their cell vents. To avoid immediate detection during nightly checks, they crafted remarkably realistic dummy heads out of a mixture of soap, toilet paper, paint, and real human hair collected from the prison barber shop, placing them on their pillows under blankets. On the night of the escape, they crawled through the newly widened ventilation shafts, scaled the utility corridors, slipped through a rooftop vent, and slid down an outer drain pipe to the rocky shoreline below. There, they inflated a homemade raft crafted from over 50 stolen rubberized raincoats, using an improvised air pump made from a musical accordion and wooden paddles made from scrap plywood before launching themselves into the freezing, treacherous currents of San Francisco Bay. Although official FBI reports ultimately concluded that the men succumbed to the freezing water and drowned, no bodies, footprints, or confirmed wreckage were ever recovered. This chilling mystery left behind decades of suspicious clues, including family photographs and anonymous letters, preserving the haunting legacy that these three inmates may have actually survived and successfully pulled off the impossible prison break.